This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome to our channel Oracle Ride. Myself Ahmad, and today I'm starting a new series which is based on quick knowledge upgrade, and it is related to Oracle Database 19C. So today I'm recording a first session. Excuse me. So this topic is related to administering Oracle database. So let's connect to my before going connect to my virtual machine. So first of all, today I'm discussing about the use of question mark in Oracle database, and about the use of at the rate sign in excuse me, in Oracle database actually. So question mark basically represent the value of Oracle home environment variable. So how you can use this question mark in your database administration. So basically we use this when we are adding any data file or temp file in Oracle database, and I want to create that in Oracle Home, but I don't want to type a full path of Oracle Home like U01 app, Oracle product, and then database version, that is 19.000, and then the rest part will come. So this full path explanation is this directory structure. So I don't want to type it actually. So I will use a question mark in that, and after that I will give the folder where I want to create the temp file in my today example actually, and that the temp file name and then size and then the values actually. And second thing, at the rate sign represent the Oracle SID environment variable, and I want to add a data file, suppose a temp file, and I want to add my database SID name in my temp file name or whatever data file name. So I will use at the rate sign in the syntax. So my command will become like this, which is displaying on that, and I'm using question mark again to represent the Oracle Home. So both file I will create in Oracle Home. Okay, so that two things we will see practically. So let's share the screen of that putty session. So here, before going to check, I will check my database name and whether it is open or not. So for that, there is a command select name, comma, open underscore mode from $, database. So when I say execute this command, so database name is ORCL. Basically, it is created by default when we are creating a database. So this name will be common. That first thing we check, and second thing, how many table spaces we have, and I want to add data file or temp file in which table space. So that is the view which is v dollar table space, and select name from. So we had sysaux system undo user and temp. So today I am adding a temp file in this temp table space. Okay, now what is existing location of my temp file, so that I will check select name from v dollar temp file. So this is my default location which I'm following. Actually, when I'm creating a database through DBC, it will follow OFA, Oracle Flexible Architecture, that is U01 app Oracle or a data, and then database name, then your all data file or temp file will store here. Okay, now the first command I'm going to execute, which is related to question mark. So this is the command. Oh, sorry for that. So this is the command alter table space temp add temp file question mark dbs temp 02 dbf size, and then executing this we use semicolon. Okay, now check and whether it is done or not. So see that question mark has taken till this place, that is Oracle Home. Sorry, this one is here db underscore one, this is Oracle home, and then dbs, and then this file is created. So this is the use of question mark. Now I want to add my sid name in the temp file name. So my command will be like this, temp file 01 at the rate underscore at the rate dbf. So now I'm using question mark again, and then I'm executing this. So this is altered and a command is executed. Now check again the view. So see that question mark represent here, and after that dbs I had given, then temp501 I had given, and at the rate is using Oracle sid. So suppose it means you have too many you have this temp file related to urcl. So I hope this two things is useful for you guys, and that's it for today's session. And keep watching our channel Oracle Ride, and do like, comment, and subscribe so that other fresher or professionals or who want to enter into DBA field, they can get the things in better way. Okay, so thank you, and we will see in next session.